The Nike Zoom Vomero 5 Peony returns in spring 2026, bringing a refreshed mix of soft blush tones, energized pinks, and clean white mesh that perfectly fits the season. Known for its standout retro runner build, this pair keeps its signature molded cage, ventilation panels, and sculpted heel design that nods back to its early 2010s performance heritage. The upper blends a breathable white base with light cream overlays, while the midsole and outsole showcase a vibrant pink gradient that shifts from warm blush to deeper rose. Thin red accents outline the swoosh and highlight the tongue tag, adding sharp contrast without overpowering the overall palette. Classic Cushlon foam and Zoom Air cushioning remain untouched, delivering the same smooth, responsive comfort that made the Vomero 5 a lifestyle favorite. With its spring-ready tones and reliable everyday ride, the Nike Zoom Vomero 5 Peony is set to drop via Nike.com and select retailers in spring 2026.